Oh, they're fooling you different, man.
What's the cost of it?
What is up, SV squad, and welcome back to another video. This kind of video is the first of its kind on the Siaosi and Victoria channel. I've never done an official food review on this channel, but welcome to my very first food review. A lot of you guys know that we live in Canberra. We've driven all the way to Sydney, which is 3 hours each way, and today we're going to be reviewing Mama's Poly Soul Food. Just want to firstly give you guys a massive shout out. We dedicate this video to Mama's Poly Soul Food and their team, the mamas, all the workers and the staff that make it happen. We're going to go and check them out. Let's go. We're here in Mama's Poly Soul Food Kitchen, and this is where the magic happens. Apparently we have mamas, these mamas get up at 2 a.m, between 2 a.m to 5 a.m to cook these delicious meals. This is the Poly site where they cook all of the Polynesian food. Just in the short time we were filming the intro outside, there were so many people coming and going, so that tells us that there is some real serious magic happening in this place. And she will tell you all about this place.
Mama's was actually Dan and Elle are the owners, so Dan and Samoan.
Oh, okay.
And her sisters are all the ones that are Mama's cooking in the back. When I interviewed for this job, they said that it was just always his dream to do something with, you know, Polynesian food, and if you think about it, that's how we all come together. Let's just keep it around food. As this venue opens up and it was offered to him, he just felt like it was his calling from God, a time to put that dream and put that vision into action, and so he came Mama's, and ever since it's been non-stop crazy, which is really good. We've got a pretty good Polynesian community in Western Sydney, so we get a pretty good crowd for both Poly food and Kiwi donuts. So. Alright, so come through. This is Mama's Kiwi donuts. Our pies in this cabinet here, so they're all from down in Melbourne. We do make the bacon egg, which is one of our most popular flavours, and that's actually one of our Mama's make it fresh. So we stock about over 36 flavoured donuts, I'm pretty sure, from the last time we counted.
Wow.
So this cabinet is normally our filled donuts. Nutella, fresh cream, some flake. So we've got some of the mini ones here, quite popular. And so like I said, we've got a lot of new flavours that we've just started this year. Some peanut butter, jam filling, or cheesecake, finger buns, which are quite popular with the Kiwi crowd. Some glaze with bacon, pineapple pie, coffee, pavlova, white cake. This one here is quite big short. That's like a rarotonga puddingi. That's our funny popo, and then we've got some Nutella ones at the bottom as well too. So this is actually for you to try. So it's some of our island favourites, as well about two of our newest flavours. That's for you guys to try.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm so excited. So I'm just going to start taste testing some of these things because we're going to be here all day with the food that they've given us. I am so grateful. I'm mind blown with the love that they're showing us. It's incredible, but I am so excited to eat. So the first one that I'm going to try is the Suey. I love Suey. Look at it. It already looks so moist. You know, some Suey you see they're a bit dry. That is legit so good. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm like sweating in here because I'm so excited. The next one that I'm gonna go for, guys, is the chicken curry. It's got some potatoes and carrots. That's really good. It's not too spicy, but you can still taste the spice on your tongue. I just need to brace myself. There's so much food here. We got some filet beef here with beef. That dish really took me back to Samoa. It took me back home, man. It's so good. This next dish is one of Aussie's favorites. He loves egg foo young, so this one's for you, babe. There's so much flavor in the egg foo young. I'm in awe. I just don't know what to eat first. So they've kindly given us some drinks as well. This is just amazing. I can live here. Oh my gosh. This is it. This is otai slash vai merengi. It's not too sweet, but it's like creamy. It's got like a creamy taste to it. It's got some mangoes, watermelon. I can taste pineapple in here. Next, one of these lamb or pork. One of these are lamb or pork. This is a pork. This one's a pork one. It's not too oily, and the bread is so fluffy. It's just right. Okay, I'm gonna get full off this if I keep eating it. I was about to take another bite. If I've made you hungry and you live in Sydney, get your behind down here to Mama's. This is their signature mushroom sauce. This is one of their signature dishes, and I'm so honored to be trying it, to be honest. Oh, that's so good. I'm so excited. I can't. Oh my god, this sauce is so good. This sauce is so good. This sauce makes it everything. It's very creamy. It's got mushrooms in it. It's got a taste that I can't really explain. It's amazing. Let me have a little sip. Gotta finish your chicken, guys. Ain't no barangis here. We also got some, one of these is Lu Sipi and one of these is Lu Al. Look at that. Oh, I love the coconut. This is the Lu Al. I am assuming that this is the Lu Sipi. Is there a difference? This one's a bit different. If you look in, there's no coconut cream in this one, but it's got lamb. Oh yeah. That is so juicy. Okay guys, I won't be able to try all of the desserts today, but I will definitely get back on camera when we get back to Canberra. Ooh, I make the myself, so we'll just have a little bit. Oh, they're pulling your hit different, man.
What's the custard?
This is so moist. I need to know this recipe. Mine is so different to this. My dad is going to carve this up. This is his favorite. This is so good. Sadly, it's better than mine, but it's alright. It's alright. The good thing is that it's available to you guys here at Mama's. I'm gonna save this one for the men. This is Hoka. Aussie's faves as well. We got Aussie, guys. Yeah. I'm so excited for this. What's my Salo?
It's made on new and
I've never tasted Salo in my life, guys. So this is a off the bat review. I don't even know what it is. What's in it?
it's new.
Oh, that smells so good. I'm not even. I love.
It's new.
It smells so good. Oh, it's so I've been to Samoa so many times. That is so good. It's got like a fresh coconut taste, as if it just came off the coconut tree straight into your mouth. Look at the consistency, it is so fresh. Okay, so this is a popo version of the vai salo. Let me just stir it up a bit. It also has saiko with coconut, but with popo as well. Oh. You know when you hear music and like a certain song like reminds you of something? This taste on my tongue reminded me of Samoa, legit, like fresh coconut cream. Oh, that's good. You guys thought we ended the video, but we're back to review some of these donuts. I've got a little helper here with me. Tell them your name. Ebenezer Elohim Kyra. And Eben, what are we doing?
I'm making donuts.
No, we're not making donuts. We're going to be tasting the donuts. And one of the things I forgot to do was get a list of what these are, like the names of it. I do remember some of them. My mum really liked this one. So we're going to have a little taste test. Ooh, this is usually crunchy, but I've had it in the fridge overnight. You want to taste?
I like chocolate, Dad.
This one is the bunny popo one.
I'm gonna eat that one. What? I'm gonna eat.
I really like, I don't know what this is. It's got a real coconut taste to it. And there's something inside.
Okay. I'm gonna eat that one over there.
Okay, show me which one.
This one. Yummy.
Tell them what you think. Oh, that chocolate cake on top is very nice. I want to show you guys. That one's good. Mamas, if you're watching, please tell everyone what this one is, because that is bomb. I know bunny popo is bomb as well, but this one, which one do you want to try now?
I'm gonna try this one. Is
You just ate the whole chocolate cake. Can you guys see this one? I'll show you the inside of this one.
Oopsie.
It's very fluffy. We had our box yesterday. I shared it with my cousin, V, and it was so fluffy because it was quite fresh. This is a day old, so not as fresh, but it legit tastes like a donut, a bunny bubble donut.
Yeah, bamboo donut.
You want some more of this one?
Yeah.
Is that one nice?
Good.
You want to taste this one? This one's like a toffee. Toffee? I'm really liking this bunny purple one. I think so far it's my favorite. We haven't even had lunch yet. We just finished church, but we're gonna have a little bit more of this one, and then I think we're gonna not eat any more donuts until we have some lunch. You're gonna get full of donuts, and we don't want that.
Yeah, and it's gonna be so tasty and yum.
Oh, I like this cream one. Simple yet like creamy and jammy. Ooh. That jam is something else.
Put that one, and the jam.
I would say out of that whole review, my 3 top favorites would be the donuts, specifically the bunny popo. I really like this jam one, the cream jam. And the second thing would be the vai salo. Oh my gosh, that is something else. That vai salo, I have never tasted vai salo in my life, guys. So for that to be my first, it's really set the bar high for me. When I go back to Samoa, I am going to be looking for vai salo. Third thing would be the Suey. Oh, there's just so many. I wanted to say like vai melengi and the Suey, but then I really like the luau as well. I can't pick one, guys. I liked everything that I saw there. We're going to be doing a lot more of these videos, and I'm so grateful and blessed that Mama's was the first of its kind on our channel. But we're going to be doing a lot more food reviews. So if you have a restaurant, reach out to us so we can come out and review your foods. Okay guys, that is the end of our review. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys go and follow Mama's Poly Soul Food Instagram page. They've also got a Facebook page as well. and support our people. When you're in Sydney, come and check them out. But make sure you guys come and check out this place. The address is down here and it's also in the description box below. Come on out and check out Mama's. You will not regret it. I'm very privileged and honored to be trying this food. Unfortunately, boss man could not be in here. He's at work, so I have tasted this on his behalf. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys know the drill. Comment down below what you guys liked most about this place. If you visited, let us know how you guys liked it. We love you guys so much. SV Squad signing out.